It's on.
Yeah.
It's like he's not looking. Let's maybe lower him.
I don't know. Is that what he's just going?
So he needs some signal that's.
All right.
I thought you need to get his attention somehow.
But I don't. All right.
Let's do this from
Yes,
here.
wait.
And then come in here like this, I said, maybe.
Wait. Jump. Oh, you did go.
He just.
Well, I didn't get him anything to do that. I lost him. Can I have to do those? All right.
What if we also do this?
Yeah, that might help me. That probably helped me a lot. Very close. Jump. Back. Yay! Hello! Good boy! Woo! Yay! We just need to get closer. They went too far for us, huh? You know, the big dog has maybe one stride, but he's got like 3 or 4 in there.
Yeah. It makes it hard, even for like a 270 and stuff.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna try.
You gotta hold him.
Okay. Boom. Good boy. Wait. Okay, tire. Back. Now that.
What about some couple backs right here to start with back and jump?
That might be. Yeah, 'cause he doesn't really know the word even. Back. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Very nice. Good boy. Get that. Get that.
Get out.
Get that. Okay, ready? Back. Yay, buddy. Good job. That was really nice. That was very nice.
Do you use back for anything else?
Well, not just backing away from me, so that's, I don't think that's a problem because it's not on course. Back. Whoop.
Okay,
Here we go, ready? Back. Yes. Good boy. Good boy.
look at, when you're walking, instead of trying to block him, look at me. Point your legs at me. So, I don't know if you would, like, we probably did, but like, if you want to do like a backside, you want to act like there's a jump here and extend it to that jump.
Right.
So,
Okay.
So here, go this way. I think.
I'll go that way
you're
instead of
going
straight?
like this. I think you're doing
I
this.
am. I'm doing more straight. Okay,
Do
good.
that. Not that it
Back.
hurts.
Yeah. That was nice.
So kind of act like there's
Try a couple of those.
act like there's a jump wherever you want to
because
send
I'm
them.
pushing to the side, but I'm pushing more straight instead of.
Yeah.
So let me see.
Just start with that one though. The
Jump. Back. Yes.
good.
Back.
That was pretty good.
Good boy. Yeah. Let's put you up here. Let's put you up here. Get in here. Good boy.
You want the fan on all of them?
Jump. Back. He says, back yourself, Mom. That was not a very good cue, was it? Ready? Jump. Back.
Yay!
Yay.
Yay!
Good boy.
That was good. He thought about that too. You can see him.
Yeah, he's got a lot of it, yeah. I'm kind of patterning it, which is probably not real good.
Well, you try it.
Ready? Jump. Back. That was a little wide, bud. That was a little wide.
Try to send him back around something else. Maybe.